Hello, I'm Grant Smith. I'm a Trainee Integrated Rating with Spirit of Tasmania. I found the job more enjoyable than I expected. To learn how to handle a ship and to maintain a ship and work on a ship is completely different to any shore job I've ever experienced in the past. As a trainee, to complete sea time, which is 36 weeks, we start off very difficult, but we start off with 8-week swings, so 2 months straight, then 2 weeks off, and then you do 3 rounds of that, so there's 3 lots of 2 months straight, which is quite hard. I've almost finished my third 8-week stint, and then I'll have 2 weeks off, then I'll have a 6-week swing, then 2 weeks off, and another 6-week swing, and that'll complete 36 weeks. And from there, I will have a letter from the company that says I've completed 36 weeks at sea, and I'll take that to the AMSA office along with my bookwork, and that'll all be marked off, and I'll get a qualification as an integrated rating. A qualified IR works a month on, a month off. As a trainee, I'm doing double swings basically. So I'll start with a crew for a month, and then they leave for a month. When they come back onto the ship, I'm still here, so they have a lot of pity for the trainees because they've just had a month off and they come back and we're still here. But that's all part of the training, and it's also, there's so much to learn. There's not a wasted day in amongst the 36 weeks. It's very busy, but it's very necessary too. When we start work as a trainee on the ship, we have to do 12 weeks where we are qualified as a watchkeeper. So that involves being on the bridge and doing 10 hours of steering, which is open sea steering to start off with, so you can't run into anything. And the part I really enjoy too is the emergency training, the survival at sea, the operation of all the lifeboats. I'm an adventurous sort of person, so that all appeals to me. A normal day doing deck work would involve a wake-up call at 10 to 5, where the bosun knocks on the cabin and wakes you up, which is a bit different. We don't have alarm clocks. Everyone wakes each other up on the ship. Normally, the weather's okay, we'll unlash, then we'll go up and prepare mooring lines, ready for mooring operations. Once the captain brings the ship alongside, with radio contact, we'll start running out mooring lines and fastening the ship. Then we'll start doing some schedule work, which might be chipping up rust and resurfacing with paint and rust converter and just maintaining the ship. We're always keeping a lookout for things like plastic bags that can block scuppers or any rubbish, so the ship has to be very clean and tidy to function properly. The guys I work with are terrific. They're always willing to show you, and some of the guys I work with have been at sea all their life. They start as 15-year-olds, and this is all they've done, but it shows through. Their experience is invaluable. The best part about being at sea is the responsibility of the job. I like that. I like the crew. They're terrific people. It's a profession. It's something we're all passionate about. It's a good lifestyle on board Spirit of Tasmania. We've got our 4 meals a day prepared by cooks. It's always lovely food. We've got lounge where we can relax with home entertainment system. We've got cabins, our own personal cabins with TV and a Brasco or ensuite, laundry facilities. Everything's there for us. It's a very comfortable lifestyle. I think my true calling is the sea. I love working on ships and boats and working with crew, and I certainly don't regret the decision. It's been brilliant.